That is the part that gives me energy. You know, that's the part that encourages me, that tells me that I'm doing the right thing. I need to keep doing what I'm doing, because this is the right thing. Watching lives change.
What does Christianity teach about death?
Okay, so we talking about a death date, or we talking about where you spend your eternity?
A death date.
A lot of,
well, I guess it's a 2-part question, but let's do death date first.
Okay. And here we go. Because I know God is not in control.
He's not in control?
Absolutely not. He's not in control. You said, God took my baby. God didn't take your baby.